So I joined the Lead Your Career program. I did, I think it was the second program I started in January, and had a coach assigned to me, which was Rod Cologne, and Rod is great. And I think the thing for me with Lead Your Career is Rod's whole philosophy, and everyone's philosophy there, which they're all in sync, is that you're the CEO of me, and of Me Inc. And you really have to own your job search, which is totally different from the way I got jobs in the past. I basically contacted a couple of recruiters, and they would find jobs for me, and then I would go on interviews, sometimes just one company, and boom, I'm there, I'm in my next job. This was, you know, a long haul, so I transitioned out of my company back in December. I will start my new position on Monday, July 15th, so I'm all excited about that. And I think the whole process of networking and tracking your contacts and networking into a company, and thinking differently about how to get your next position is what Lead Your Career is all about.
Hi, I'm Kathy Warner. I'm a project engineer at Hoffman LaRoche, and I have recently landed a position with the Torcon company at the Valley Hospital in Ridgewood. I'll be working as an administrative assistant. The Lead Your Career program was an excellent opportunity for me to learn about being in charge of my career, and I found it very beneficial and highly motivating to have a different perspective on the future of my career. And even though this position may sound like I'm starting over, it's a great opportunity for me to learn this construction management business from the CM side of things, and I'm really looking forward to a new beginning and starting afresh.
Having a personal coach, having Rod Cologne, was instrumental in showing me how to get a thick skin, how to use the network that you have, how to use the power of LinkedIn. I'll never forget, he said, you know, LinkedIn is not about who your first degree connections are. That's what Facebook is for. LinkedIn is about what your second degree and third degree connections are. And you start looking at LinkedIn and following his protocols, and you realize, yeah, this is how you get from point A to point B to point C, and how you meet people and how those doors can really open up. His weekly coaching was again, extremely helpful to keep me on track and on point about this is what you need to be doing. This is the strategy. This is his methodology. The CEO of Me talks about reaching out to people and using what he calls the value proposition. It's where you send your resume, a cover letter, and a job description, and you give that to send that to people who can provide introductions for you. And you just got to do that many, many times.
Second person who really impacted me is Abby Cohet, and she actually showed us the real secrets about the LinkedIn, how to update your profile and how to market yourself through LinkedIn. And on top of that, she told us using all different like a media source, which are Career Builder, Monster, Indeed. And until I met Abby, I did not have my resume on all these different sources that can help me market myself.
The biggest impact that the Lead Your Career had was that it helped me to become more comfortable with networking. Up until Lead Your Career, I was very comfortable with the high-tech aspect. I had job leads streaming to my email accounts. I was on the computer for hours scrubbing the web for everything else that I could find. So finding the jobs online weren't the issue. The problem was actually meeting people. So one of the key benefits for Lead Your Career was actually developing the personal skills to be able to make connections, as well as find ways of finding people to connect with.